Hello Internet World, and welcome to my review of the Pengo HDMI to USB-C 4K Grabber. This was very kindly sent in free of charge by the manufacturer. They haven't asked to pre-approve the content nor for me to say anything in particular. Just going to share with you my opinion of this product. This is the product box. As you can see from the front here, this is a USB 3 UVC product. I'll explain what that means very shortly. Also supports UHD 4K 30 frames per second. A note on that later. And this is ideal for doing video capture from your games console, for example, or indeed if you want to do video conferencing or live streaming and you want to use your DSLR or mirrorless camera to stream from. Just very quickly on the specifications on the back here. It says it supports HDMI 2 standard up to 4K 60 frames per second. That's support. I only managed to capture up to 30 frames per second. I did have one product that looked like it was capturing at 60 frames per second, but when I edited it, it seemed to drop it down to 30. So do bear that in mind. It also supports Microsoft Windows, so version 8 or above, and macOS 10.1.3 or later as well. Now you'd use this to connect your camera to your computer or your games console and capture or grab the video footage. It's got a fairly long USB-C cable on it. It's a captive cable, so if you did need it longer than this, you'd have to buy your own extension. It's a nice compact box, very well made. Now on this end here, we've of course got HDMI 2.0. So you connect your capture device in here, be that a games console or your camera, and then in turn you connect the USB-C to your computer. Now you do get a little adapter or dongle inside the box which is going to convert the USB-C to a USB-A connection. So if you've got older style connections on your computer, then you're in luck because you actually get the adapter inside the box. Now in use this has worked extremely well. The actual device has pretty much worked flawlessly, and I've tested this with mainly my video cameras, a Nikon or Nikon Z50, also a Fujifilm XS10, and also my regular Sony AX53 video camera, and it has worked absolutely fine. This is a great option if you're on a budget and you want to turn your camera into a webcam, and that's what it means when I mentioned USB 3.0 UVC, is it's a UVC standard, so it allows your operating system, and it should work without drivers, but it allows your operating system to see your camera and treat it as though it was a USB web camera, even though you've plugged it into this box via HDMI. Now of course you have to use your own cables to connect your source device to this box, but this is great value for money. It works extremely well and I can just highly recommend it. It's such a great value product. This is the Pengo HDMI to USB-C 4K Grabber. Now if you want to pick up one of these for yourself, then please do check out those links down in the video description. There's also a link down there to the manufacturer's website. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe so you don't miss out on my future ones, and I'll see you in another video very, very soon.